Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction and Outdoor. And in this video, I want to show you a beautiful outdoor project that we did to actually kind of do a little bit of kickoff to our outdoor living division. You know, something that we've wanted to do, that I've wanted to do personally at Home Love for a long time, is start doing major outdoor renovations, because we've always done kitchens and bathrooms and additions. And so now we've actually got some amazing outdoor living projects in the ground completed, and I want to show you one right now. So on this project, we did a couple major things. It's really only like 5 or 6 things, but they're so large and intensive that it became a project that took 4 or 5 months to actually complete. And the end product is totally different from the start. So really the 5 things are, we did a massive screen enclosure. This screen enclosure is about 11,000 square feet. We're checking, it might be the largest residential screen enclosure in the state of Florida. It definitely was the largest one installed in 2022. We're trying to see if there are any bigger than it on a house. We're not sure that there is. So that's the first thing. The second is we did an entire pool refinish, including the sun shelf and adding the jets and all that fun stuff that you can actually see in the video. So the pool and the cage. We also did a whole travertine pool deck with new coping and travertine and all that kind of stuff. The fourth thing was the turf. We did actually a huge 1,500 square foot swath of turf, which is literally basically a playground. You know, that's for the client's kids to have a play set on. And we actually added a dense foam underneath the artificial turf so that you can fall on it and it doesn't hurt at all, because artificial turf goes down on paver base, so it's actually quite dense. Now that pad underneath kind of prevents getting like turf rash, if you've ever heard that from professional football players. Now obviously they can't do that on a field, but we can on a playground. We can add some foam underneath. So that's the fourth thing. And then the fifth thing is the travertine steppers, is what we call those, with the turf in between them, which is just an amazing look. And it's a great way to separate the solid travertine deck from the huge area, kind of playground area where the artificial turf with the foam underneath is. So this project came together amazingly, as you can see in our shots of it. I mean, it's just freaking gorgeous. It's on this beautiful house in St. Pete. So if you're looking for an outdoor living project, if you're gonna do a screen enclosure, paver patio, artificial turf, you can call Home Love Construction and Outdoor. And what we do is we do an instant estimate. So we come and see a project like this. It can be a massive project. And we're gonna actually give you a rough idea of what the cost would be, broken down by trade, the moment we see you. Or not like the exact moment we see you, but in that same appointment. The appointment ends after we've actually given you numbers. And typically what we do after that is we actually do a design where we show you the whole thing in 3D, so you can really see what you're going to be installing and make your decisions on how to lay it out. We do all of this in-house. We go from the quote to the design, get it engineered as necessary. Obviously this huge screen enclosure needed engineering, and then we actually do the install. So if you're needing help with an outdoor living project, especially something like this, definitely reach out to Home Love Construction and Outdoor. You can go to, specifically on the outdoor, you should go to homeloveoutdoor.com. You're gonna be able to see examples of other projects like this that we've done. And I look forward to hearing from you super, super soon.